Hi everyone, my name is Nisar. I'm a student of advanced level at Paragon Academy Badin. Today my topic is hazards of populations. The population is the one of the biggest problems of Pakistan's. The populations increased manifold. Schools cannot provide educations to all of them, therefore illiteracy is increasing. Hospitals unable to treat all patients therefore are dying disease, infections and accidents. Pupils don't have sufficient money to purchase food, clothes, medicines, and other necessary things. If you want to come wonderful life, then you go one baby. If you want to be a wonder comfortable life, then you go to two babies. If you want to miserable life, but if you want to miserable life, you go many babies and keep crying, yelling, babbling, shouting, and abusing. Thank you so much.